The sky is crying, but I don't mind. It's like a song I've heard 1,000 times. Cold wind whispers through the open door, but here I am, not running anymore. Every raindrop rides across my skin, stories of where I've been and who I've been within. And though the clouds may hide the day, I feel the night just melt away. So let the thunder shake the ground, let the silence be the loudest sound. Let it rain on me, let it fall like grace. Wash away the tears I've yet to face. Let it pour, I won't retreat. I'll find the fire beneath my feet. Let it rain, let it rain on me. I've been through storms that had no end, winds that broke the hearts I tried to mend. But every stone has made me whole, taught me strength, carved out my soul. So let the sky fall down tonight, I'll rise beneath the lightning's light. Let it rain on me, let it fall like grace. Wash away the tears I've yet to face. Let it pour till I believe I found the rain, the pain I breathe. Let it rain, let it rain on me. I'm not broken, I'm reborn, standing proud in every storm. Let the thunder write my name, let the flood renew my flame. Let it rain on me, let it fall like grace. Heal the scars I used to trace. Let it pour, I'll never flee. I found the storm is part